In this video, I'm going to show you how to redline in Bluebeam. So to redline in Bluebeam, there's actually a bunch of different ways, and for that you have to use markup tools like lines, clouds, and text, and let me show you how to actually do this. So if you want to use lines, for example, to do something, click on the line tool on the right-hand side over here, and you can just basically underline or like make a box or whatever you want over that, and that's one way to actually do it. Now, of course, the more convenient way is to maybe put these things in a circle like that, for example in lips, and there we go, this is now a bit more visible, and you could also set kind of the thickness of this line to actually make it seem like it's more apparent. Now you could also go ahead and right click anywhere. So for example, let's say I want to right click this, I could do add note, and I can just type in this needs and then of course whatever here, I can just go ahead and click out, and there we go, this is now kind of a note over here for whoever's viewing this. And then you could also go ahead and right click and add flags here, so we can add a flag and type in whatever you want as well, and you can also see these in a list of flags over here on the left hand side, which is very convenient. And yeah, that's basically how you redline over here in Bluebeam. You could also use these different clouds on here if you want to, you can use that, and that way you can redline the PDF document. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.